The Hellcat Everything Regular series has just begun, man.
God, ooh, is that what? Man. Did you go stop at the rim shop before you dropped it off here or what, man? You got us right like that?
How did you know?
With the red key, oh my God, Daytona. Ooh, with the SRT emblem on the back of the bag.
Oh man, number 499.
This is a numbered car.
Charge,
you see the supercharge on there, huh, Bobby?
Yes, sir. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday. We pretty much took a first ride on our new green and blue Everything Regular special, man. The one and only, my personal bike, man. You guys know that one has a whole 131 on that joint, man. And we took that thing for a spin and literally blew the whole chain off that thing, man. But that thing is going to be in hibernation until we get it fixed. I can't wait to freaking test ride that thing again and really see what it's riding like, man. But in the meantime, man, you guys see the title. You guys see what time it is. I've been waiting for this day for freaking ever. Literally, like, if you're a YouTuber, man, and you're like a car guy, this is one of the cars that you guys want. I'm telling you. You guys see the title, man. 2020 Hellcat wide body SRT Charger, man. It's time to go up. I can't wait. The transporter actually picked it up earlier today, and we scored this thing at a freaking price that was just like, oh my God, I had to get it, man. So can't wait for this thing to pull up and check it out. It's looking really good on the pictures, man. Let's just hope it looks as good in person that it does in pictures, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Everything Regular in the Hellcat. It's time to go yay yay. It is time to go yay yay, man. But before the transporter pull up, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, man, you guys know we are bringing more life to the community, more smiles and everything, man. So with that being said, we are giving away our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces. Yes, man, the one with the 124 that's knocking everybody off from state to state, man. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a bike and a truck for second place, man. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint. And for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide Lemon Drop, man. I can't wait to get that thing back and put that thing up in the air, man. You guys see what time it is. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of these joints, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you any hat or any patch on the site. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. The Black Friday sale is still live, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy Everything's Regular, man, now is the time to do it, man. Because we could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston picking up one of these trucks and these bikes, man. The choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Meanwhile, our transporter should be here in a minute, man. So we gonna see what's good. We gonna pull up and we gonna see where we gonna park this joint. Y'all see what's going on. Pops brought the vet back. I got the Lamb right there. Our blue truck should be pulling up about the same time as our freaking Charger, so I can't wait. I can't wait, man. We gonna see what's good. I already got the garage organized, so we got extra car space over here. We definitely gonna figure it out. Might have to just pull it or push it in the garage, man. We gonna see what's good, though. Y'all let me know what y'all think so far in the comments below. It's up. I can't wait, man. It's a movie. Our transporter is gonna be here in a minute. So I'm gonna actually spin this around real quick. Greet our Hellcat real nicely. We gotta greet the Hellcat real nicely, y'all. Alrighty, man. We got a cool lineup now, but our lineup is just about to get a little bit sicker, dang. Alrighty, guys, man. You guys know we've been waiting for this time in YouTube since we started YouTube, man. The Hellcat Everything Regular series has just begun, man. I think I just seen a freaking transport truck on the other side of the wall over there, man. So we gonna peek down this way and see if we gonna see something hit that corner. Woo! Just like I said. Just like I said, we was gonna hit the corner. Just like I said, we was gonna hit the corner. Yes, sir. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. It's game time. Ooh. Yes, sir. Let's see what we got. Ooh, is that what? Dang. With the wide body oozing eyes. Oh, it's up. Y'all see what's going on. It is up, man. 2020 wide body hell kizzy for me. Bobby, what's up, man?
How you doing, sir?
Man, I'm lovely now, man. You was playing with me like, man, Monday, we gonna get it to you Tuesday. How you doing, man?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you, man.
That's Pops there.
Yeah, this Pops right here.
How you doing,
It's my guy, Bobby, man.
Nice to meet you, Bobby. Pleasure's mine, bro.
Same here, bro.
Yes, sir, man. Ooh, this thing looking good. So that's how you got us riding today, man.
Hey man, that's it.
Did you go stop at the rim shop before you dropped it off here or what, man? You got us right like that?
How did you know?
Hey man, I'm like Bobby, that type of guy. He gonna get us right, man.
You doing all right, man?
Yeah, man, I've been cooling. Y'all see the Corleone Fortress? Ooh, with the spin things. Oh my god. Get a quick picture of me sideways. Let me sit back there.
What you gonna do with this thing, man?
Oh man, you know what I'm gonna do with it, man. You know what I'm gonna do with it, man. I'm gonna go yeah.
Yay.
Most certainly. Oh my goodness.
You got some air?
I do got an air machine. Let's hope it airs up. I'm gonna grab it right now. It's the jumper box. Yeah, the jumper box. Say it again.
We can use. I got an app, but ain't no. Is it free?
Nah, we should be good. On mine's, no. But oh my goodness, look at this thing right here. She's with the red key.
With the red key. Oh my God. Daytona.
Sweet ride. You liking it, huh?
I'm loving it, Bobby. You know my style, man.
Ooh, with the SRT emblem on the back of the bike. Oh man, hold up.
Oh man, number 499. Bobby, this is a numbered car.
Huh?
This is a numbered car.
Yeah?
Number 499 out of 501.
Come on, man.
That's nuts. That's nuts, man. Ooh. That is nuts. All the oohs and ahs. Let's hope we can get some air up in this joint. Let's hope we can get some air up in this joint.
You at the rally, man.
You didn't see me. I was there cutting up, man. I was cutting up. I was cutting up for show, man. I was cutting up for show. Oh my God, look at the Hellcat. Damn. Hellcat Tuesday. Hellcat Tuesday. Hellcat Tuesday. Yes, sir. I told y'all I wasn't playing, man. Wide body for the big dog. Wide body for the big daddy. Let's go up. Let's go up, man. I told y'all how we was coming. I told y'all how we was coming. I told y'all how we was coming. We about to slide back to back. I'm telling you. I cannot wait, man. I cannot wait. Let's hope we get some air up in this joint. It came. Look at this guy. He think he like 17. Y'all see the red key. Red key. It's up, man. I'm telling you, it's up. Ooh, it's looking like up under there, man. Oh, need a little cleaning. Definitely need a little
But
cleaning.
you definitely see that supercharged on
You
it.
see the supercharger on there, huh, Bobby?
Yes, sir.
You see the supercharger on there, man.
That's just what it means.
I'm telling you, it's time to go up, man.
Yes.
I cannot wait. I'm
Can't
excited. I'm excited, man. It's time to go. Yay. Y'all see what's going on. Driveway done got a little bit crazier. A little bit crazier, man. Wide body for the win. Let's see if he got any
Let's
juice.
see if we got any power.
Any type of power.
Got some power, just not start. I don't think it's enough to start. It got
Probably-
power, it's just not enough to start.
We trying to get this thing fired up. I should have just went and got a battery for it. I should have just went and got a battery for it, man. But we squatting on them daddy-os. We squatting on them daddy-os, man. Hellcat Tuesday, it's a movie. Hellcat Tuesday, it's a movie. Y'all see what's going on. Telling y'all, man. I'm about to get up in here and offload this thing, but I just wanted to get at it with y'all because y'all know what time it is, man. I ain't gonna even hold y'all no more. Alrighty, guys, so we trying to get some power to this thing, man. Trying to get some power to this joint. Batteries.
No, nothing. No, nothing's on.
How do we have it at first?
There we go. Lights just
Yeah, it wasn't. See, when you turn this one all the way down, it pretty much powers it off.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Try it now.
got power, but nothing.
Probably not enough power or something. I don't know. Trying to get this thing fired up,
What is
y'all.
that, 1500?
Yeah, this one's a 15. I could bring the whichever
bring
one
it.
you want over.
Right. Let's try it. We can try it, but I know that big one.
Oh, you got some good cables? Then I could pull the big truck out then. Save us some time. pouring down, y'all. Wait, what? Oh, the battery on here is in the trunk.
Okay, well, let's go there.
Oh yeah, I thought the battery. Okay, bet we got.
Can you open it?
We got tail light. Try to pop the trunk. We got it. Let's try this out, gang. Oh yeah, it's up. Whoop. It's up. Yeah, the battery's back there. I see it. Alrighty, guys, we got that thing off the trailer finally, man. Now our thing is trying to get this bad boy started. Now, our guess is the key fob is like totally dead, so we're gonna try to put this key fob together. Got them in my hand. We're gonna try to do this. Switch out one of these things and see if it'll work for us, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I need it to work.
You got lights on back here.
There's lights back there on?
Brake lights. Brake lights.
Alrighty, guys, we got Big Blue and pulled on up and stuff, man. We got the charger right here. Now, thing is not starting, so we either gonna, I'm actually gonna get a new key fob, not a key fob, but a new battery for the key fob right now and see if we can get this thing fired up. If not, we're gonna be loading this thing up on the trailer in the morning and taking it down to Extreme so they can get it fired up for us, man. So, meantime, we will be getting it going one way or another. Alrighty, guys, so back at the house, we done switched out both key fobs for the Hellcat, man. Let's see if we got any luck or something, man. See if we got anything.
Hey, you know what these ones look like? The green ones. These are like the green ones in the storage, don't they?
Let's see. Let's hope for the
Like
best.
the green ones I was in the storage.
Nope.
The Monty Forgers, it don't look like similar to those.
Nope. We still getting this same thing, gang.
Like he going in the same direction.
Still getting the same thing.
The ones in the storage they cut a little bit more deep. That bitch A2 motivation, man. I ain't gonna
Yeah, this is a fool, man. It's time to go up, man. That's what it's about. We here to inspire each other, man.
Hey, let me call the key man real quick. I'm gonna call you right back. Hey, what up, Pat? He got it delivered to him. He got all the keys with it and everything. But he's putting the key and is trying to start it, and it won't start. It's saying put the key to the button, and it's still not starting. What do you think it is? The lights work, the horn work, everything works.
But everything lights up. It's just not cranking.
Yeah, can I FaceTime you real quick?
Come on, man.
On the fat daddies.
Hey, you irritated because you know exactly what I was calling for.
On the fat daddies. Yeah, you see the cat. Where MP at? Tell that I need your head up.
Be right here.
MP.
He ain't got the cat no more.
Oh my God, MP, come on, man.
Nah.
What's good with you, gang?
So again, yeah, that
What's feeling? Y'all see the guy himself, man, live just had to
sir,
pull
man.
up on me. Hey, you wanna know what's so funny?
What happened?
Friggin', so you remember when you helped me out last time with my motorcycle?
Yeah.
I did it again today.
No.
I was on live when I did it. They was like, hey man, hit the Trench family up.
You know, we right there.
I'm
man.
like,
We would've pulled
I'm
up,
like, man, I
Yeah,
can't be wearing out my stuff, man. I gotta hit them when I really, really need them, man.
Alright.
That's funny.
Nah, man, you got limited.
So bet. Nah, he's good. So you need the air pump, right?
Yeah, compressor, yeah, just to
Yeah.
fill up my tire on the
Oh
sky.
yeah, no, you good. So you know how to scroll that bitch
Yeah,
in,
for
and then
sure.
whenever you're ready, you just press the air button twice.
Cool, appreciate you, man.
And I slip,
Once
bro.
I'm done, I'll slide it.
All right, for sure.
Appreciate you, guys.
That's good. So what do you say, man?
Man, so we called my key guy who do all my specialists to all my keys in my cars. They said the key is not programmed to the vehicle. So he's gonna come out tomorrow and program this key to that, and we should have action.
Let's hope for the best. We gonna see. We sliding on them things though, man. We sliding on them things though, man. I ain't gonna hold you. We sliding on them things, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. We curbside. We might not even be able to straighten it out a little bit.
Now we better straighten it out.
Let's see. Let's get a little push or something, man. You're gonna have to go forward.
Yeah, still the transmission still disconnected or no?
I don't even know.
All right, let me disconnect.
I don't know nothing about nothing.
All right, so look, too. Right here. So this is your disconnect. Once you pull this,
It's in neutral.
yeah, and this how they spin everybody's shit right here.
Yeah,
Once you do this, it's in neutral. It's
going forward?
I'm going forward. Oh, damn, you wasn't lying. That should be cool. Or actually, yeah, a little bit closer. All right, guys.
I just thought about it.
So, Hellcat wide body Daytona number 499. A freaking 501 sunroof and everything, man. It's a movie. Tomorrow we're gonna attend to this because the sun is coming down right now, man. But y'all see what's going on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below. This thing is looking oh so good. I can only imagine when this thing is all put together, running and programmed.